Hey guys, Mrs. Blair and Corey here with another edition of our math puzzles. So I just want to say happy Thursday, guys. And I really miss all of you and thank you for tuning in. Make sure you're commenting below with what you think the answer to today's puzzle is. And check back on Tuesday next week for another edition of Math Puzzles, and we will review the puzzle I give you today, and I'll give you a new puzzle. So thinking back to Tuesday, I gave you a puzzle about Pokemon, and I have to tell you, I had to look in my Pokédex to figure out what all of these Pokemon's names were, because let me tell you, it's been a little bit since I was in middle school trading my Pokemon cards. So let's take a look at the puzzle. So when I'm looking at the top left-hand input-output box, I see there's a 1 and the output is 4. There's a 2 and the output is a ratatata, or ratata. There we go. 3 and 6, 4 and 7, 5 and 8. So when I think about how do I get from 1 to 4, what is the relationship there? Well, I could add 3. I could multiply by 4. Well, let's see. Let's go down to the 3. 3 times 4 isn't equal to 6, but 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's check and see. Does 4 plus 3 equal 7? Yes. Does 5 plus 3 equal 8? Yes. So Ratata must be 2 plus 3, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. So Ratata equals 5. And I'm actually going to put that into the next input column because there's Ratata there. So I see there's input is 3, output is 7. There's Ratata into Snorlax, 7 to 15, 9 to Caterpie, and 11 to 23. So I could add 3 plus 4, which could equal 7, but does 7 plus 4 equal 15? No. What about if I did 3 times 2? That equals 6, plus 1 is 7. Okay, let's try that rule. 7 times 2 equals 14, plus 1 equals 15. Excellent. Let's try it with 11. 11 times 2 equals 22, plus 1 equals 23. So that must be our rule for that top right-hand box. Times 2 plus 1. So we know Rattata is 5, so 5 times 2 equals 10, plus 1 equals 11. So Snorlax equals 11. Let's go down to the bottom left-hand input-output box. I have Pikachu and 9, 4 and 7, 8 and 5. Wow, our output numbers are getting smaller, but our input numbers are getting bigger. That's very interesting. 12 and Zubat, and 16 and 1. Well, I'm noticing the difference between 16 and 1 is 15, but that's not the difference between 8 and 5. And I can't multiply my input by something, and I can't divide it by something. So maybe there's a rule between the input numbers and then the output numbers. Well, I see 4, 8, 12, 16. All of those numbers are going up by 4. So what if Pikachu was 0? If Pikachu is 0, 0 plus 4 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. So let's put 0 in for Pikachu. And then we have our output, 9, 7, 5. Those are all decreasing by 2. So my output rule is minus 2. So to figure out Zubat, 5 minus 2 equals 3. And then Zubat minus 2 equals 1. So Zubat is 3. And let's go over to figure out Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff, fun fact, was one of my favorite Pokemon. So I'm noticing my input is decreasing by 1. My output is decreasing, but how much is it decreasing by? Well, let's see, 16 and 12. That difference is 4. 12 and 8, that difference is 4. So what is 24 minus 4? Well, that's 20. So Jigglypuff must be 20. All right, guys. So I hope you have stuck with me in this Pokemon adventure, bringing me back to middle school. And today I'm going to give you this puzzle. Tune in on Tuesday to review that puzzle, and I hope you all are well.